Hello guys. Today we are going to see some pretty awesome methods which will help us to improve the performance of Windows 10 significantly. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So, let's get started. First of all, go to Windows 10 settings. Open Gaming tab. Click on Game Mode. Then, turn the game mode on. Go to Start and search for Control Panel. Click on System and Security and then go to Systems tab. Go to Advanced System Settings. After getting this dialog box, we will see a couple of options. To get the maximum performance, we have to sacrifice some unnecessary visual elements which take up a significant amount of RAM. So, choose Adjust for best performance, and then hit OK. We will unlock the ultimate performance profile of Power Plan. To do that, hit Start button and search for Command Prompt. Right-click on it and run it as administrator. I will enter a small command in it which I have provided in the description of this video. Now we have unlocked the ultimate performance power plan. We just have to tweak it to get the most use out of it. So, let's do it. Hit Start and search for Choose a Power Plan. It will show a couple of options along with some additional plans. Click on Show Additional Plans to make other power profile visible. Select the option of Ultimate Performance. Click on Change Plan Settings. Then go to Change Advanced Power Settings. Now follow my steps. Click the plus icon to open the Hard Disk tab. Set both the parameters of it to 0 minutes. That will show as never. Go to Wireless Adapter Settings and set the parameters to maximum performance. Leave Sleep and USB settings as it is. Go to Intel Graphics Settings. Then set all the parameters to maximum performance. Next, go for PCI Express. Open the Link State Power Management settings and set both the parameters to off. This is the most important step of tweaking the power plan. Now go for Processor Power Management. Open Minimum Processor State and set both the parameters to 100%. Now open System Cooling Policy and set both of the settings to Active Cooling. This will ramp up the fan speed, providing more cooling, hence boosting up the performance. Leave all other settings as it is and hit OK. I will cancel it because I am having the same plan already activated. Windows Tips also take some amount of RAM for its background processes to work, so it is also needed to be turned off. Hit Start and go to Settings. Then open System tab. Go to Notification and Actions. There you will see a couple of checkboxes with their functions written on their side. Uncheck the box of tips, tricks and suggestions while using Windows. The boot time is directly proportional to amount of programs that are to be loaded during the startup. They can increase the amount of RAM consumed. I have used a freeware called JetClean to optimize startup programs. It's very easy to use, and it has also other uses that we will come to know later on the video. To download it, open Google in your browser and search for JetClean. You can check my description also if you want the direct download link. Click on the link provided by bluespring.com. It will open the download page of JetClean. Then click on Free Download. Click the Download Now button on this page, and it will download the setup on your hard drive. I have already installed the program, so let's open it. And trust me, it's the best Windows optimization software I have ever used. This is opening window of JetClean. It has a lot of useful things that I will explain further in this video. So please watch the video till the end. First, go to the Tools panel of it. Then go to Startup Optimization. It will show all your programs that launch during the boot. Along with the programs, there is the option to enable and disable them. Keep the most important programs that you need just after your startup and disable all other unnecessary programs. This will significantly increase your boot speed and also decrease the amount of RAM consumed. Now hold Ctrl-Shift and Escape simultaneously on your keyboard. This will open Task Manager for you. Then click on Startup tab. There you will see your apps that were installed through Windows Store. You can disable them if you want. Removal of bloatware and the cleaning of registry is very important for increasing the speed of Windows. We can do this very easily by using JetClean software. Open JetClean and click on Scan Now. It will automatically scan your registries and search for temporary cache file. Click on Repair and it will automatically clean your PC for you. Hit Start and search for Windows Update. Open Windows Update Settings. Our aim is to stop Windows from searching for updates during our usage, so we have to change the active hours. Turn off automatic adjustment and click on the change option present at the side of it. Suppose you put your PC idle during the nighttime, so you can adjust the time accordingly. Hit Start and search for indexing options. Click on Modify. Ensure that indexing for all of your disks is off. Indexing takes a lot of RAM and hence decreases performance. There you go. Now play some games or do some intensive tasks on your PC or laptop. Let me know in the comments below that if these tricks worked or not for you. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like this video.